Its massive grab bucket can excavate a large amount of material and dredge hard substances, surpassing SPT 100. If you want to split the biggest of the big logos in a high production environment, you'll want the HF 800 2-speed cone splitter from US Pride. A 2-speed motor lets skid loaders, wheel loaders, and reshape the land with the formidable blade. The U-shaped blade is the heart of the machine. In its straight position, it is built to move mountains of dirt and easily folds into work even in tight spaces. The soil mix system by cutter creates a homogeneous mixed mass, allowing the cutter head to sink into the soil effortlessly under its own weight. Effort 2055 model is part of the big crane range, belonging to 30 to 300 TXM lifting class. An excavator brush is a specialized attachment used with excavators to cut vegetation and remove unwanted trees or stumps. The cutting head is designed to rotate 360 degrees and can be adjusted to various angles depending on the job. Drop a like if you would like to try this sushi. To solve the tree pruning problem, the farmer created a super fast branch trimming machine. This plow facilitates a quicker harvest of potatoes. These arms rotate in directions to mix the candy. This tea leaf harvester is undoubtedly performed at the highest level. The robot arm will place the apples into the appropriate trays. To preserve meat for longer periods, food processing machines now inject salt water directly into it. This machine achieves productivity of up to 4,000 beetroot bundles per hour. Rondobot is a circular molding system for the production line of dough. The rounding process is consistently replicated to ensure that the dough reaches 100%. Repeatability. The farm has a total of 33 cages. Each fish cage has a diameter of 40 meters and a depth of 20 meters. It is necessary to control the density of about 2,000 fish in each cage. This large farm is currently raising about 40,000 tuna and can harvest about 10,000 fish per year. With such a large quantity, the food supply for tuna is also very large. Each week they consume about 40 tons of mackerel and herring. Because tuna are inherently predatory fish, they often prefer live fish, so they should be provided with fresh fish food. In addition to the standard feed of mackerel and herring, the farm also supplements extruded mixture feed with higher nutritional value. This type of food also helps save time, manpower, and above all, costs for boats and fuel. And the pill form is also easier to preserve. With underwater cameras in aquaculture farms, fishermen not only observe their fish easily, but also study their feeding ability, thereby creating affordable feeds. Cheap but still ensures nutrients provided to fish. Bluefin tuna are raised from infancy for 3.5 years until the fish weighs an average of 60 kilograms. The fully grown tuna is then sold to fresh fish specialty stores and restaurants as well as rotating sushi chains and supermarkets. Bluefin tuna is not only in high demand in Japan but is also widely exported abroad. At the processing plant, hundreds of tuna are classified and processed with meticulous management. The first organs are carefully scraped off by professional processing factory workers. Next, the fish is cleaned and trimmed leaving only the necessary parts.